Facebook workshop is sold out. Well, as you know, I'm holding a live online workshop on Facebook advertising this Saturday, April 14. And I know you were interested in it, but you couldn't register. Well, it's sold out, I know. I'm bombarded with so many emails and requests to open it up again. But as I told you, the spots are limited. That's why I ask you to register fast. Now, I have a great news for you. I'm gonna go live on Instagram 2-3 times during the workshop where I talk about important topics. So you can watch it live and free. How does it sound? Well, I really can't think of a better gift for you. So what you should do now, just follow me on Instagram. I put my Instagram link around this video. Just click on it and follow me on Instagram. And then stay tuned on coming Saturday, 8 a.m. Los Angeles time. It's 4 p.m. in London and 7 p.m. in Dubai if you're in that side of the world. You know, this Facebook workshop was the most generous offer I could give you to join me and take advantage of this life-changing workshop. And you could pay the fee, the $97 fee, one day after the workshop, just if you liked it. And if you didn't like it for any reason, you didn't have to pay a cent. So you had the opportunity to attend the 4-hour workshop on the hottest advertising platform ever for free. Now, make sure you don't miss this one. I go live on Instagram during this workshop and you have the opportunity to watch some part of it and learn everything for free. So click on the link now and follow me on Instagram and watch it live. And there, during the workshop, ask all of your questions and engage, because I try my best to answer your questions at the end of the workshop. Okay? Awesome. Let's meet on Instagram in coming Saturday. See you there.